In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google Chrome extensions. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can search without any delay. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and search for Google Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed, so it is the best and safest place to begin. When you search for it, look for the official Google Web Store result and open it. After you are in the Google Web Store, use the search bar in the store to look for the extension you want. For example, if you want a VPN extension, type VPN into the search field. You can use the same method for any type of extension you need. Just search for a keyword related to the tool you want to install. As you look through the results, take a moment to read the extension names and descriptions carefully. This helps you choose the one that best matches what you need. It is also a good idea to check reviews, ratings, and the publisher name so you can feel more confident about the extension you select. When you find the extension you want, open its page and review the information shown there. From there, you can continue with the installation option provided on the extension page. That covers everything you need to know.